So me and Charity had the good fortune to explore some of the Cat Ba Archipelago and Halong Bay by boat and kayak this week. One particularly interesting section saw us kayak through a number of caves to a secluded lagoon within the islands. These islands are home to the critically endangered Cat Ba Langur, which is believed to have a population of only around 70 individuals and can only be found here. They're critically endangered, having been relentlessly poached to make an alleged aphrodisiac medicine. Since 2001, poaching has been stopped and there have been more births than deaths in the population. The scenery is beautiful. It's known as limestone karst, which in this case has been invaded by the sea. It's full of many caves and beautiful archways, often with calcite formations within. The islands are very rocky and represent quite a harsh environment for life, with limited soil and fresh water. Yet despite this, life does thrive here in its own way. We were lucky to glimpse a number of primates from our kayaks. I cannot make out clearly if these are langurs, but it was very special nonetheless to see creatures living here, wild and away from the interference of humans. We also saw lots of rock eagles which soared above us during our exploration. This is a beautiful part of Vietnam and is well worth exploring if you get the opportunity.